Hello students, I hope you are busy with your work, you are doing with your studies, and as because I am giving you notes also so that it becomes easy for you to understand what actually we are going through. Today class will be based on the numerical problem strategy. The problem comes that you face problems doing with the numericals. So today's class is based on the numerical problem strategy. So how to solve the numerical problems. I have taken a little complicated type question here. And what is the question that if I get to read, if you can see the board, ABC is an equilateral triangle of side 10 meter and D is the midpoint of BC. Charges of plus 100, minus 100 and plus 75 microcoulomb are placed at B, C and D respectively. You need to find out the force of plus 1 microcoulomb charge placed at A. Now in this type of questions, when you get first the step, I would advise go through the question. You are given 15 minutes time to read the question paper. Use that time judiciously. You use this time is for you to understand how to take up your numerical problem. That is extremely important, as because you are class 12 students, so you should know the various method. Your each minutes, each seconds is important for you in the examination hall. So first you read the question and then the second time you read it again. But when the second time you are reading the question, start working on it. Let's see. So we cannot do this sum without the figure. We need a figure. So let's do with it. It is question number 16 from Newton Physics. So here you draw a triangle. It is an equilateral triangle. So I'll just take the sides. If you get to see side D is the midpoint of BC. So let us do this BC and here we take D. Suppose if you have trouble, you make a rough figure and work on it and then you get back to it. So I have taken D as the midpoint of BC and obviously it's a triangle, so A point needs to be here. So let us first make a triangle. Okay, and all sides are equals. All sides are equal means each side is equals to 10 meters. So what does it mean? This is 5 and this is 5 and this is 10 and this is 10. I'm not writing meter because it's already given. Now let's put the charges. Now when we put the charges here, this is at B, we are going to put plus 100 microcoulomb. C, it is minus 100 microcoulomb. And D, we are taking up 75 microcoulomb, right? So we have taken the charges and plus 1 microcoulomb at A. So we have taken all this. What is the condition? Need to find out the force at A. Means the whole force, it is based on the superposition phenomena. So the whole force needs to be found at A. We need to do it at A. So when we see, this can be one of the, there are 3 charges, this 1, 2 and 3. You take this as 1 and this is 2 and the third one. D we are going to do last. So the force between F and AB. So better you write, there are times when you write F1, F2, F3 and you get confused. I would advise you better write the AB. So we are doing with AB. So this is positive, this is positive. So obviously this is the outside. Isn't it? It will act in the outward direction. So this is the direction of FAB. This is the force. So this is 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0. 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 is equals to 9 into 10 to the power 9. 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 is equals to 9 into 10 to the power 9. We will take it 9 into 10 to the power 9. So I'll write here 9 into 10 to the power 9. Now let us take the charge. 100 microcoulomb. So it is 100 into 10 to the power minus 6, we convert it into coulomb, plus 1, so it is 1 into 10 to the power minus 6, divided by distance is 10 ka whole square, isn't it? Because the distance between the two is 10, so 10 ka whole square. 10 ka whole square means, let's see, this is 100, 100 gone. Try to make your steps as easy and as simple. So let us do with it. So 100, this is also 100, so it is gone, this gone. So this is 10 to the power minus 12 and this is 3. So minus 12 plus 3 becomes minus 3. So here you are getting up 9 into 10 to the power minus 3 Newton. So you have got this, isn't it? So you got this. Now let us do with FAC. FAC. When we do, it's a negative, so it is towards the negative, right? So this is the direction of the force acting between FAC. So here also, if you get to see, we have got the same values. So it should be the same, 9 into 10 to the power minus 3. 9, this is equals to 9 into 10 to the power minus 3 Newton. So I'm not doing it up because it's all same. Q1 and Q2 are same with the previous case. So I have written that. Now we have got two conditions. Here this is one of the force and this is another force. Don't do with D now. From these two, get one. This is the problem solving technique I would like to advise. First of all, draw the diagram, place all the charges properly, compute the values of the forces, and then you have three charges to work with. Three interactions means three different forces. So out of the two which you find easy, find out one resultant. So when you see this one and this one, the resultant can be shown by this direction. Now here in the question, it is an equilateral triangle, means each side is 60 degree. If each side is 60 degree, this is a complete straight line. So ये कितना होगा? ये वाला कितना होना चाहिए? 120 degree होना चाहिए, isn't it? So let us substitute this as F1. F1, this is F1. F1 is a resultant between these two forces. So I'll write F1 is equals to under root of. You have the formula of R square is equals to A square plus B square plus 2AB cos theta. So here F1 square, so F1 root over, यहाँ पर this will be F square AB, F square AC plus twice of FAB, FAC and cosine 120 degree, isn't it? Now one thing is very simple to understand, that FAB is equals to FAC. So instead of this, I can write this equals to under root. This is same, so 2F square AB plus 2F square AB, and this cos 120 degree is equals to minus half. कैसे? Because it is just 180 degree minus 60 degree and this becomes minus cos 60 degree. So I would advise, please go through some of the known values clearly from the very beginning so that you don't find it difficult while solving the sums. We want to make our steps easy. So instead of cos 120 degree, I will write minus cos 60 degree, and cos 60 degree is half. So we get the value as equals to half minus half. So half cancel. So it is 2F square AB and this is minus F square AB. So what you get, F square AB ka root over. You are getting F square AB ka root over. So finally F1 is also equals to FAB. It means the value of F1 is 9 into 10 to the power minus 3 Newton. Isn't it? So you have got the force here. Now let us interact between FAD. Let us do with FAD. In order to do with FAD, let's start with the process. FAD, I'll just write here only. FAD. Now when you do with FAD, then what exactly is important? This is the positive and this is positive. Obviously this is acting in this direction, FAD. Isn't it? But you don't know this distance. So this is 100 and this is 100. This is 100 square and the other part is 25. So what we get? 25. So what you get? यहाँ पर 100 minus 25 is root over 75. So it is root over 75. Isn't it? So what you really get to know here, what you really need to go get here, let us compute for this also. Let us rub everything, and we had one value out there. यहाँ पर will let us write F1 is equals to 9 into 10 to the power minus 3 Newton. हम लोगों ने calculate किया. FAD between these two, it is 9 into 10 to the power 9. Force here, charge here is 75 into 10 to the power minus 6. Here it is 1 into 10 to the power minus 6 divided by the square. Okay, so square of root over 75 is 75 only. So this is root over 75 ka square, and this goes off. And again you are left out with FAB is equals to 9 into 10 to the power minus 3. 9 and minus 12. So you are getting this. Now you have got two forces. Let us see. I'll just draw it here so it's easy now. FAD and this is F1. What is the angle between the two? 90 degree. So you need to write down the, now my step is to find out the final value, right? So final value means this is your resultant which we are looking for, F. So F is equals to under root, same formula, F square AD, this is F square AD, plus F square 1, because it is the, plus twice of, let me write, plus twice of FAD, AD F1 cos 90 degree. Cos 90 degree is 0. So this part is neglected. But then again we have got FAD is equals to F1. Right? Because they have the same value. See, this is 9 into 10 to the power minus 3. This is also 9 into 10 to the power minus 3. They have the same values. So F is equals to under root of, this is F1 square plus F1 square. So this is 2 F1 square, or else I can write F is equals to root 2 F1. F1 we have already calculated. So my value, my answer will be F is equals to 9 root 2 into 10 to the power minus 3 Newton.